RIZAL and you can call me RIZAL. This time, I would like to tell you about how to use the printer and how to maintain it. What is printer? Printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from the computer and transfer the information to the paper. Printer commonly used such as inkjet printer, matrix printer, laser printer, and etc. In this time, I use inkjet printer. The type is Epson L120. So let's do it.
First, you can download the driver in the www.epson.com and install the setup. Uncheck the automatically update software if you don't want to update the software automatically. Then, click OK. Select language to English and click OK. Checklist agree, then click OK. Wait until the installation finish. If the installation complete, please restart your computer. Open one file and try to print it out. The driver of printer L120 is already, so you can click print. Don't forget put some paper to the printer. Finally, the printer can be used. Yay!
I think that's all from me. You can practice this at home. So if you have any problem that you cannot repair it, you can bring the printer to the technician. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.